Let's take it across to Kunal and find out what looks attractive on the charts to him. Kunal.
Yeah, thank you so much for that, Snehi. That's a chart on UPL, a stock which has been the thick of news flow, as well as a stock which has confirmed a breakout. Now, why this is very important and intriguing for UPL is because the stock has confirmed a major trendline breakout. This is something which has been going on for the last two and a half odd years for UPL from 2021-22. When the stock was almost at 800 levels, we've seen the stock trending downwards, moving into a band, where the stock made a pattern of lower highs and lower lows. But then there is two confirmation which has happened for UPL. One is that, as you can see, this trend line breakout, the stock has confirmed. So for the first time in the last 2 years, the stock has confirmed a trend line breakout. This could indicate that the stock has ended this phase of a downward trend. And the second, the most important part, is after years of the stock going into a downtrend, it started to make a pattern of higher lows for the stock, and it's confirmed the first time a major breakout of this inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this is what we call as an inverted head and shoulder pattern for stock like UPL, and the stock confirming a breakout on these two dual patterns, which I believe could be a very interesting turn of events for the stock. The pattern height is almost 120 points for UPL, which means that from a breakout of 550, 575, we could be looking at 700 to 750 as a potential target range for UPL.
All right, so that's the chart buster idea coming in on UPL. Firstly, it was good set of numbers indeed, and then the management commentary, and now the launch of the trade war. UPL is seen to be likely beneficiary, and connecting the dots, Kunal is liking that on the technical front with a target of around 700 rupees. But apart from that, Kunal, help us with your stock calls then.
There are two buy calls which I would suggest. The first one is a buy on Bajaj Finserv. That's a chart which has come back into a breakout about that 1770 mark. So look out for targets in the range of 1800. Stop loss could be kept at 1750. Nykaa is the other stock which is confirming a swing breakout of 175 levels. So 190 is the target of the near term. Stop loss at 173.
Okay, Bajaj Finserv and Nykaa looking good to Kunal. Stop loss for Nykaa at 173, target 190. Bajaj Finserv target 1800, stop loss 1750. But on that note, we'll slip into a very short break on this edition of First Trades and keep it going with more news and updates on the other side. Stay tuned.